As the global financial markets have become increasingly interconnected and with more market data available than ever before and growing at an incredible rate, it's become humanly impossible for traders to process all that data and make intelligent trading decisions in today's volatile markets. The good news is that you don't have to. With advances in artificial intelligence technologies, you can now analyze what's going on in the markets, how they're affecting each other, and where they're headed with incredible forecasting accuracy. AI and deep machine learning, using what's known as neural networks, now gives traders the ability to harness computing power and apply AI to global intermarket data, resulting in actionable trading decisions that can truly lead to life-changing financial freedom. Traditional technical analysis tools with their lagging indicators and single market focus simply can't produce the kind of financial returns needed by retirees and baby boomers facing retirement in today's uncertain financial climate. Ask yourself, if an opportunity was presented to you that could improve your trading results and help create more wealth for your family while protecting your capital, would you seize the opportunity? Of course you would. Then let me introduce you to VantagePoint software. VantagePoint software is the world's leading artificial intelligence forecasting software, which has helped change the lives of thousands of traders since its first release in 1991. Its latest version, just released, can help you navigate today's globally interconnected markets like never before. Manage your trades in a few minutes each day from virtually anywhere in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you need an edge and an advantage over other traders. That's what separates those who are losing money or even moderately successful from those who are highly successful. VantagePoint's proprietary and patented artificial intelligence predictive technologies will take you to levels of trading success that you've only dreamed of achieving until now. With VantagePoint at your fingertips, each evening you can predict market movements 1 to 3 days in advance with proven forecasting accuracy of up to 86%. The results? You can get into trades earlier and ride winning trends longer, all while protecting and preserving your underlying capital no matter the market volatility or trend direction. This degree of market forecasting accuracy can help you to generate significant and consistent income for you and your family in less than 10 or 15 minutes each evening. VantagePoint's forecasts incorporate the global market forces behind the price movements of thousands of tradable primary markets and quickly shows which markets have the greatest potential bang for the buck. Get access to these incredible forecasts with just a click of your mouse and then add them to your customized portfolios. VantagePoint then produces highly accurate short, medium, and long-term market forecasts. The interface is clean, well-organized, and designed to help you maximize your profits and limit your losses with minimal effort each evening. Whether you need help staying in the trade longer, getting in the trade sooner, or finding more profitable opportunities, VantagePoint delivers reliable performance day in and day out. Utilize its proprietary IntelliScan feature to quickly find and notify you of the most promising trading opportunities based on your own specific trading criteria. No more sifting through hundreds of charts every night or getting caught in sideways markets. IntelliScan will guide you to where the real money is, and in the process will open up a whole new world of trading possibilities. Let other traders continue to follow trends with lagging indicators and worry and stress about market volatility, while with VantagePoint, your confident trading decisions will continue to keep you 1, 2, or even 3 steps ahead of the game. Since 1979, the developer of VantagePoint has been the authoritative leader and foremost pioneer in market analysis and forecasting software. With over 25,000 customers worldwide benefiting from its proven predictive accuracy, VantagePoint has been recognized as the definitive artificial intelligence resource for both novice and more experienced traders worldwide. Get on the path to profitability and become the trader or investor you know you're capable of being if you just had the right analytic tools. Well, now you have them. Learn more in a free personalized demo by visiting www.vantagepointsoftware.com. Complete the information in the box and we'll arrange your demonstration immediately and work with you to get you on the right track and stay there. If you have any questions, call us today at 1-800-732-5407.